Hidden beneath the vast, unexplored depths of Earth's oceans lives a creature so enigmatic and extraordinary that it has captivated humanity's imagination for centuries: the giant squid. Once regarded as nothing more than a myth or the stuff of sailors' legends, the giant squid has emerged as one of the most fascinating and mysterious inhabitants of the deep sea. But what do we truly know about this elusive giant? Join us as we dive into the depths to uncover the incredible secrets of the giant squid. The giant squid, scientifically known as Architeuthis dux, is a true leviathan of the deep, holding the title of one of the largest invertebrates on Earth. These marine titans can grow to lengths of up to 43 feet, including their long, tentacle-like feeding arms. There are even unverified reports suggesting some individuals may exceed 60 feet in length, making them one of the largest animals in the ocean. Despite their immense size, giant squids remain one of the most elusive and least understood creatures in the natural world. These giants inhabit the mesopelagic and bathypelagic zones of the ocean, commonly found at depths of 1,000 to 3,000 feet. This shadowy region, often called the Twilight Zone, is characterized by near-total darkness, freezing temperatures, and crushing pressure. It's an environment so inhospitable that much of it remains unexplored by humans. For centuries, the existence of the giant squid was known only through washed-up carcasses or fragments of tentacles caught in fishing nets. One of the giant squid's most astonishing features is its enormous eyes, measuring up to 10 inches in diameter, about the size of a dinner plate. These are the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, specially adapted to the pitch-black conditions of the deep ocean. Their massive eyes allow them to detect even the faintest traces of light, such as the bioluminescent glow of prey or the approach of a predator like the sperm whale. These eyes are so sensitive that they can detect changes in light intensity from miles away, giving the squid a crucial advantage in the darkness. The giant squid is a formidable predator, ruling the deep sea with an arsenal of adaptations designed for hunting. Its two elongated feeding tentacles, which can stretch up to 30 feet, are equipped with hundreds of sharp, serrated suckers. These suckers not only latch onto prey but can leave circular scars, even on the tough skin of sperm whales. The squid uses these tentacles to grab prey, typically deep-sea fish, crustaceans, and other squids, and pull them toward its powerful beak. The beak, resembling that of a parrot, is incredibly strong and capable of slicing through tough flesh and even bones. Behind the beak lies the radula, a tongue-like organ lined with rows of tiny teeth, which shreds prey into smaller, digestible pieces. Despite their fearsome hunting abilities, giant squids are not invincible. Their most formidable predator is the sperm whale, another deep-sea giant. Encounters between these two titans of the deep are believed to be epic battles for survival. Evidence of these underwater clashes can be found in the form of sucker scars on the skin of sperm whales, which testify to the squid's desperate fight against its attacker. Though no human has ever witnessed these battles firsthand, they remain one of the most dramatic and intriguing aspects of the giant squid's life. Reproduction in giant squids is another area shrouded in mystery. Males use a specialized arm called the hectocotylus to transfer spermatophores, packets of sperm, to the female. Females are thought to lay thousands of eggs, which may be anchored to the seafloor or left to float in clusters. These eggs hatch into tiny planktonic larvae, which must survive in a perilous ocean filled with predators and environmental challenges. Only a fraction of these larvae survive to adulthood, continuing the species' mysterious life cycle. For much of history, the giant squid existed only in myths and legends. Ancient sailors told tales of monstrous sea creatures capable of dragging entire ships into the ocean's depths. These stories gave rise to the myth of the Kraken, a terrifying sea monster featured in Norse folklore. It wasn't until the 19th century that scientists began to study the giant squid seriously. The first detailed descriptions came from stranded specimens, but much about their behavior and ecology remained speculative due to the inaccessibility of their habitat. A major breakthrough occurred in 2004 when Japanese researchers captured the first ever photographs of a live giant squid in its natural habitat. This groundbreaking moment was followed in 2012 by the first video footage of a live giant squid, filmed at a depth of 2,000 feet. These extraordinary achievements marked a turning point in our understanding of this elusive species, revealing details about its movements, hunting strategies, and role in the deep-sea ecosystem. However, much about the giant squid remains unknown. Scientists are still working to answer fundamental questions. How do they navigate their environment? How many giant squids exist in the wild? What impact do human activities, such as climate change and deep-sea fishing, have on their populations? These mysteries highlight how much of the ocean remains unexplored and how little we understand about the creatures that call it home. The giant squid is a vital part of the deep-sea ecosystem. As both predator and prey, it plays a key role in maintaining the balance of life in the ocean's depths. By feeding on other deep-sea creatures, it helps regulate populations lower on the food chain. At the same time, it provides sustenance for sperm whales and other large predators. Its existence underscores the delicate interdependence of ocean life.